see Dr. Edwards.
My doctor is Dr. Alan Crooksfield.
Dr. Eberly has been my doctor.
Dr. Andy Wellstead is my doctor.
My doctor is Lindsay Northam.
Dr. Karen Trujillo is my doctor.
I love that she spends a lot of time with me. She takes her time. She really cares about me. And if I need to talk to her through the patient portal, she gets back to me right away. So if I have a question, if I have a concern, if they're doing some kind of prior authorization, I know right away what's happening, which is so nice and convenient.
He always greets me with a smile and a handshake. He always walks me out to the waiting room when I'm done. And I just don't think you see that a whole lot anymore, but he's never not walked me back out to the waiting room and has told the receptionist I want to see him in 3 months, 6 months, whatever. So he's always very good about doing that.
He's completely engaged in the situation that he's in, whether that's with me as a patient or me with him in another scenario. I just see him totally engaged with the patient, listening to what the patient's talking about, taking that in, providing that patient with the most up-to-date information based on what they need for that particular scenario. I think that he does a really good job of not being happy with the status quo and taking his education along as education has progressed over the years.
The meaning of care to me is taking an interest in your patient, which he totally does. He takes an interest in his patient. He gets to know them on a one-on-one basis, by name, and that's important to me. Whether it be a 20-minute appointment or a 10-minute appointment, he takes the time to listen to you.
You know, a lot of people don't like going to see their doctor. They don't like going to see their dentist. You know, it's a task that you just do it because you've got to do it. And she makes the visit like not something that you wouldn't look forward to. I mean, it's always great to see her, and it's fun to catch up with her.
I love that she is so smart, but also that she is so human. She explains everything on a level that anybody can understand, and she also has some spicy comments that I love because that's like me. Working for Methodist for any period of time, and especially as long as I have, you identify that Methodist attracts really talented physicians, and it's easy then to go to Methodist physicians because you know they're going to be a high caliber.